This lens has been discussed a lot, and therefore the reason for me to buy it. For €47, this is really a bargain. It is advised to pay a lot of attention to the lens hood. The standard built-in lens hood is not sufficient. I noticed that and had to use my hand as an extra shield a number of times. A Takumar delivers real quality, just like this one. The shortest minimum focusing distance is something like a meter. In this case, I didn't really mind because I got so much quality. I really have to sell some lenses, but this one is definitely not going away.